to know, is this a want or not? Hi, Christina. You have to know, is this a want or is this a need? Then you have to apply delayed gratification. Is it worth it to spend right now? You know, because advertising creates makes us feel compulsive. You know when they put things on sale and they say, oh, within 24 hours it's going to be gone, and you're thinking, oh my God, if I don't get it now, I'll lose it. No, you won't lose it. Reality is, marketers will always be marketers. Tomorrow there will be another deal. So for you, Tronilla, this is going to go back to your own self-control, number one. Number two, budget for those categories. It's okay to buy friends food. It's okay to buy, extra clothes, but budget for them ahead of time. And if you budget a category, maybe $50 this month, if it gets finished, well, you wait for next month. And you'll find that you'll feel freedom when you know you're not misusing your hard-earned money. And you'll actually be achieving goals as you go ahead.